Good morning, class 10. My dear student, topic trigonometry is continue. Exercise 8.2. Question number first and its fourth part. Dear student, question is sin 30 degree. Find the value of sin 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree divided by sec 30 degree cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree. Dear student, you know the standard values of trigonometric functions. So we will put all these values here, then simplify and get the result. Sin 30 degree is 1 upon 2 plus tan 45 degree, that is 1, minus cosec 60 degree, that is 2 upon root 3, divided by sec 30 is 2 upon root 3 plus cos 60 degree, that is 1 by 2 plus cot 45 degree, that is 1. Now take the LCM of numerator and denominator separately. LCM of numerator is 2 root 3. Here 2 cancel, so it is root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 2 2 is 4, so it is 4 root 3 whole divided by 2 root 3, LCM of denominator, it is 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. Now it's cancel out. Then numerator is 2 root 3 plus root 3 is 3 root 3 minus 4 root 3. This is minus 4, not root 3. It is minus 4. Divided by, there is 4 plus 3 root 3. Dear student, you can leave here also and rationalize the denominator, then you will get the other result. So you can leave here. Now next is question number 1, fifth part. It is 5 cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree divided by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. See the solution. Now we will put all the standard values here. So it is 5 cos 60 is 1 upon 2 whole square plus 4 sec 30 2 upon root 3 whole square minus tan 45 1 whole square divided by sin 30 degree, it is 1 upon 2 whole square plus cos 30 root 3 by 2 whole square. Then it is 5 upon 4 plus 4 into 4 upon 3 minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Dear student, it is 1. So it is simply 5 upon 4 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1. Now we will take the LCM of this. LCM is 12. 4 3 is 12. Then it is 15 plus 48 minus 12. Then it is 15 plus 48. 63 minus 12. It is 51 upon 12. So answer is 51 upon 12. Dear student, it is cancelled by 3. 3 1 is 3. 3 7 is 21. And 3 4 is 12. So it is 17 upon 4. Dear student, next is question number 3. If 10 a plus b is root 3 and 10 a minus b is 1 upon root 3, find a and b. Dear student, 10 a plus b is given root 3. It is the value of tan 60 degree and 10 a minus b is 1 upon root 3. So it is tan 30 degree. From this we will get a plus b is 60 degree, and from second equation we will get a minus b is 30 degree. On adding b cancel out, so 2a equal to 90 degree and a becomes 45 degree. Now putting the value of a in equation 1, so a plus 45 is 60 degree, and from this a equal to 15 degree. To justify our answer, Yes, then we will get B. It is B. B is 15 degree. So 45 minus 15 equal to 30 degree. And 45 plus 15 equal to 60 degree. Therefore, we can say that our answer is correct.